After the oath taking, we also have a special performance by our friends from Taiwan. So let's get this happening. Lorelei Bass Kitamuki. Lorelei, please come forward. Hiroko Ishifuji. Nancy Sakamoto. Christy Tamura. Christy Tamura. Mr. Joseph Bacaron. And then last but not least, Jundel Tauto. Tauto. Ah, Tauto. Okay. Thank you, Jundel. All right, everybody. So everyone's here. Some of the people left already early. So either way, whoever's here, we're just gonna go start doing the oath taking. Okay. All right. So everyone, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Okay. All right. I state your name. Having been duly elected as blank, state your position or title of the Bayanihan Community Japan. Do solemnly swear that I will faithfully and honestly discharge the duties of my office to the best of my ability. I will uphold and defend the Constitution and bylaws of the Bayanihan Community Japan. Promote its mission and vision and serve the Filipino community and overseas Filipino workers in Japan with integrity, fairness, respect, and dedication. I commit myself to act in the best interest of the organization, foster unity and inclusivity, and contribute to the growth and well-being of our community. So help me God. Congratulations, everybody. Everybody stay where you're at. All right, just to end the oath taking, we're gonna have the chairman of the Bayanihan do a quick speech, just for the upcoming year and their plans. Let's welcome the chairman, Ms. Noni Dorothea Kosaki.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon, everybody. Konnichiwa. Minasan konnichiwa. Korekara. Korekara, Filipino communityを始まりますので、皆さんよろしくお願いします。みんなと一緒に頑張っていく みんなで頑張りましょう。よろしくお願いします。Our vice chairman is Miss Monica Hashi. Konnichiwa. Siguro na yung sinasabi simula. Kaya hanggang maaari, katulong namin kayo. Magkaisa tayo. Magkaisa tayo. Hindi natin kailangan tayo lang magtutulungan naman dito. Kaya hanggang maaari. Ang aming grupo, yung siguningay si Mabuhay! Yung secretary natin is Miss Maria Sasamoto.
Good afternoon, everyone. May bago tayong bayanihan community. Kailangan mag-ilaog tayo at abisihan tayo magkaisa sa mga ating organisasyon. Dapat tayo magkaisa bayanihan community. Thank you.
Pakpak, uy.
Yung ating treasurer is Peter Sigan. Sige, Pedro! Kuya Pedro!
Basta ba daan kaya?
Good afternoon. Ito hindi ko akalain na ilan yung ating treasurer. So,
I-add ka ni Ate Monique sa community.
naman natin kung
Screenshot man ako yung mga pangalan. Say,
ako ang humawak.
kira ba daw niya i-add mo sa Bayanihan community ba? Kanina community ba?
Alam, kahit siguro isang sentimo ang matanggap o matanggap namin dito. Kahit isang sentimo
Ako ang kaon sa tulad yun. Walang lapis sa kulang.
So, magkaisa tayo lahat. Umpisa ngayon, hanggang kailanman, hanggang may Pilipino tayo dito sa atin, mag-isa-isa tayo lahat. Walang magkanya-kanya. Kung ano man, ginawa kasi ito para kung may tulong tayo kahit kunting bagay, may tulong natin. Maraming salamat sa ating lahat.
Yung ating auditor is Miss Lori Basidamukian Imelda Shibata.
Ako mo na naglag-ilag niya.
Imelda Shibata.
I promise to do my best.
Imelda Shibata as auditor of the community.
Ako sabi na nang ko, lugos ko hurlan eh. Nang kamutan ka. Babaan ta.
Thank you. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Miss Lori Samiki, Assistant Auditor.
これからもよろしくお願いします。
Teka lang. Meron tayong public relation officer, si Menix. Kaso nasa Pilipinas siya. Tapos kasama niya si Ate Hiroko. Nihonjin to no. Pilipinjin no. Ay da, ate nga, manaka ni. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Kaya,
May tunga tamay na.
hindi ka maluwi ako.
Ako kay
Nakaipa.
Kana ka guys, simay.
Ano akong ganahan? Ako guys,
Pero gisod pa na pangitaon.
ay, sing naman lagi niya mga ano na ilang ano
Next, yung ating coordinator, event coordinator, si Christy Hamura. Good afternoon.
I'm Christy Tamura. Then, Yoroshiku Onegaishimasu. Sana parati kayong magsisimba.
Yeah.
Aray ko.
Cyber coordinator pa si Nancy Sakamoto. Sila yung
Konnichiwa minasan. Ako po si Nancy Sakamoto. Kuretara, Yoroshiku Onegaishimasu.
then yung ating Marshal. Lead 3. Lead Marshal Joseph Macaron.